Hi everybody. Tonight it's me and Emma. And as you can see, we got a lovely little smorgasbord of ice cream in front of us. We are jumping on the...
Do we have two of each?
No.
Oh.
They're expensive. Almost $5 a piece these ones are.
Well, if the cookie dough's good, I want.
Okay, but we are jumping on the Dr. Bombay ice cream train. I don't know if anybody's ever seen this. I just found out about it through a wonderful newsfeed thing on my Facebook. It is ice cream inspired by Snoop Dogg's ice cream flavor combination things. And let's see, like, this one is rolling in the dough. And it's cookie ice cream with chunks of cookie dough, cocoa flakes, and chocolate chip cookie swirls. So we are jumping on this train because, you know, I love new flavored stuff. I go down the aisle and I am the first one to hit the new sections, you know. And that's what that one looks like. It's a little hard to see, I know. Yeah, she's already eyeing the cookie swirl. And you know, I had to do this late because Emma and Phil decided they had to take their night drive, of course, all the time.
We went to Madison and then I ate some of this pie that he made. It was really good.
And it looks pretty good. I mean, it's just a regular vanilla ice cream, I guess. Or cookie ice cream, I guess.
I love Snoop. Give me the dang thing.
It tastes like a chocolate chip cookie. Worth $5?
Oh, yeah.
According to Emma, it is.
Yeah, it is. I'd pay $100 for this.
$100? Are you nuts?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Alright, there's one that... See, this one over here, this is different for Cookie Dream ice cream. This is Cocoa Cream Cookie Dream. And this is chocolate milk ice cream with chocolate chip cookies and a chocolate chip cookie swirl. You know, that sounds different to me. I like that. And while she's eating that one, I guess I'm going to move on to this one. And this one just looks like chocolate ice cream. And she's going, of course, for not very much of it. Come on. I mean, you didn't even hit the swirl thing. There's a swirl thing. I'm going to hit the swirl thing.
It tastes just like chocolate milk. I love Snoop Dogg.
Okay, I like this one because it's different. It's not the same.
It tastes exactly like chocolate milk.
Same old cookie dough.
Okay, we're going for this one.
Hold on a minute.
Hurry up.
I gotta see if I can find a cookie.
Cookies and milk. Did you even read their catchphrase?
Yeah.
Free your mind, find your flavor. It's the Dr. Bombay way.
Oh, yeah. This one
is good.
This one is good.
This one is Tropical Sherbet Swizzle.
Oh, too bad for Greg in here. Because he would just love these.
It's got a whole orange in it.
Swizzle
Thingy.
I have a very hard time saying this one. What is it?
Swizzle.
Sherbet Swizzle.
Tropical Sherbet Swizzle. Swizzle.
I can't say it.
You do the sh and then the whizzle.
That just does not sound good.
Whizzle.
Okay, so Swizzle. This one had orange sherbet with tropical pineapple swirls. I'm gonna love this one.
Show it off. No, show it off.
No, I don't want to show it off. I want to eat it.
I want that big piece.
Why you always gotta take the big stuff out of there?
Mother. Because it's good.
Alright, see, well, you left me some on the bottom here. Mm.
It's so cold.
I love the pineapple swirl thing
Mm.
in it.
That's freaking good.
What?
Really freaking good.
Oh. I thought you said something else there.
Yum.
Mm. Alright, this one. I love sherbet ice cream. So definitely, oh yes,
She ain't
if you
sharing
love
that.
sherbet, no, I'll share. You know I always share everything. In fact, I probably won't even eat these again. You guys will have them gone by the time I even go to it. Oh. Okay, so far they're really, really, really good.
It sucks for Greg. He ain't gonna be able to eat
I
this one.
really want to do this one because
What is
it's
it?
syrupy waffle sundaes. Sundaze. And it's waffle ice cream
So it's like a
with
Sunday
waffle
days.
pieces and a brown butter syrup swirl. Oh, Emma's gonna put down her ice cream for this one. We'll mix it up a little bit before we show it off. It does have little chunky things. You can't really see much in this. And she takes the piece that I undid. Does it taste like a waffle?
Mm-hmm.
See, I dug down a little bit so I could get a waffle piece in there.
Oh my god, it tastes like a waffle. I feel like I'm at Waffle House.
Mm. Okay. Maybe this one I won't share.
I'm never going back to real ice cream. I mean regular ice cream. Dr. Bombay is the way.
You know, every time I hear Dr. Bombay, I want to say from Bewitched, calling Dr. Bombay, calling Dr. Bombay.
Is that on the computer over there?
Yeah, this is on the computer. But, because, you know, Samantha had to call Dr. Bombay whenever there was a witch sickness.
No, I don't know.
You don't know, but I know. And everybody else out there that knows is gonna know. Alright, so we did these ones.
I want it.
And we did this one. Would you put the cover on the cookie one?
No, I'm gonna eat it.
Alright, what do we do next?
Some more vibes. Let's get some more vibes in here.
I think we got enough vibes. We got marshmallow ice cream with fudge bites, cocoa crisp rice, and graham cracker swirl. So this one has a lot going on in it. Emma's happy that Mama brought her home some ice cream. Hold on a minute. Let me flip it to see what's in there. Your schwizzle. Alright, there is swirly things and
Schwizzle.
stuff like that. I don't know, you guys can probably like... Oh, you made a mess.
Look, it's not even there anymore.
Well, it's a good thing your chair was Scotch guarded.
Oh, look, I cleaned all of it off. It's not
I know,
even
your
wet.
chair was Scotch guarded.
Scotch?
Yeah. Alright. I think I got everything in there. You can tell Emma likes this because she makes that little noise whenever she eats a spoonful.
Mm-hmm. Give it to me. It's good.
Okay, normally I don't like chocolate chunks in ice cream because they get really hard and frozen, of course, because it's ice cream. But,
10 out
For
of
some
10
reason, these are
scoops.
staying soft.
10 out of
Don't they
10
feel
double
soft to you?
DOGs. Wait, no, that's not right. DO double G's.
Amazing graham cracker flavor in that.
That's
Awesome graham cracker flavor in that.
That's
And
phenomenal.
I think it's cinnamon graham cracker flavor. I like that.
Mm.
Alright, next we have...
Mm-mm.
Alright, we have orange
Save
cream there.
Save brownie for last. So, like,
You can
brownie
tell the
for
two
last.
that Emma likes because she's not putting the cover back on.
Yeah, 'cause I'm going to eat these after.
Alright, so... Ice Out Orange Cream. And it's vanilla ice cream and orange sherbet with icy orange swirls. I'm not sure what icy orange swirls are, but I guess we're going to find out. Icy
orange juice.
doesn't... Oh, it could feel like orange juice. And it is pretty. Not that you can probably see it.
Let me see.
There's a little bit of... Oh, maybe... I don't know. But it's pretty. It's like light orange.
It is.
And she's going to go for... Nope, she isn't. Oh, there, she took the icy swirl. Now I got to find me an icy swirl somewhere.
Each side is its designated flavor. The white is cream. The orange is orange.
Very orangey, like in your face. I am an orange ice cream. And it's
It's
not
good,
too
though.
sweet. I kind of like that. It's not hugely sweet. I mean, I know it's a dessert. It's an ice cream. It's supposed to be sweet.
But like it has that orange tan.
Mmm. Yes.
When you want something with flavor, go to Snoop.
And I'm not hating the icy swirls. It's like frozen orange juice inside the ice cream.
Mm.
Just like Emma said. I like that. Oh, wait a minute. Look, Emma, what did you uncover?
Mm-hmm.
What did you uncover when you moved that ice cream?
A gift card?
A gift card? Oh, look at that. 800 subscriber gift card. Do you know how much it is?
No.
$50 to Amazon. Check it out. It's an Amazon gift card. $50 for all you wonderful people. Then I'm going to pick somebody to get it. And let's see, what day are we going to pick this? Today's Tuesday night. Let's do it Friday. Oh, you guys won't be home Friday.
Thursday. No, Saturday.
No. You think Saturday? Alright, Saturday. $50 winner for the Amazon gift card. Unfortunately, still only U.S. residents. Not Maine. That would cut it down way far. I'm sure all the Maine people that watch this would love that because that would be like only what? 4 or 5 people from Maine maybe? I don't know how many people we have from Maine. But you know what? To win this, all you got to do to enter is subscribe and tell me your favorite ice cream. What is your favorite kind of ice cream? And we will pick a winner on Saturday. Saturday, we said. At around 6 o'clock or so. So, see you then.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, we got bonus track brownie. It's vanilla ice cream with chunks of brownie dough, brownie brittle, and a thick fudge swirl.
Alright. That one you can see the swirl.
Swirl.
It's not a swirl.
It's a swirl.
Did it say swirl? No,
I
it says
no,
swirl.
I say swirl.
It says swirl.
Swirl.
Don't swirl me.
This doesn't say schwizzle. It says swizzle. But it's a schwizzle still.
But I am saying swizzle.
Swizzle.
If I can't
Say it
say
with
it.
no hesitation.
No, I can't do it.
You can too.
I have to keep looking at the word.
Swizzle.
Alright. Yeah,
That's
that's a
like
good
Dr.
bite.
Hook's hook.
It
Captain
does.
Hook's hook.
Yeah.
I don't like chocolate, so I feel like this. Meh.
The fudge swirl is great, but you know me, I gotta find a piece of brownie. Isn't there supposed to be a piece of brownie in here somewhere?
Brownie dough and brownie brittle.
Yep, there is. Well, we found a brownie dough. Did I find a brittle yet?
I don't know, but I just got a
That
graham
might be a
cracker
brittle,
swirl.
maybe. But I found a brownie dough. Not a lot of flavor on the brownie dough. But that fudge swirl thing, that's got chocolate flavor.
Oh, yeah,
I think we'll give this one to Greg, though.
Oh, Greg likes brownies.
Yeah, Greg will like this. Oh no, I don't taste no chocolate on the brownie. I don't know. The fudge swirl is good. This one's not my favorite.
These were my favorite. Here's a cookie dough. Rolling in the dough.
Alright. So that's our taste test.
I want to roll on this dough.
As you can see, this is the only one we didn't care for. But the rest, I definitely recommend the orange cream. Because, like, that icy orange swirl, that's like frozen, concentrated orange juice. Love it, love it, love it.
I recommend the cookie dough. And the s'mores.
Alright, I recommend all these ones except for this Dr. Bombay bonus
Unless
tracks brownie.
Unless you really love brownies.
Yeah, but it really doesn't taste brownie.
Or unless you just like fudge.
Yeah, if you like
chocolate.
fudge, that would work.
I hate chocolate.
I know, Emma's weird. She's not mine. Alright, she is, because there's no denying that she's mine. I love you, too. So anyway, $50 Amazon Prime card, $50 Amazon
Prime
gift card.
I said Prime too.
See? Gift card. We will pick it Saturday. That'll give plenty of people plenty enough time to subscribe and comment. Yeah. Remember your favorite ice cream. I want to know what your favorite ice cream is. If it's something I haven't tried before, you know I'm going to try it.
A flavor or a brand?
Flavor. What's your favorite flavor? Something I haven't tried before? You know I'm going to find it and I'm going to try it. So thank you for watching. Have a great, wonderful, super fantastic evening. And we will see you all tomorrow for a food pantry run. Have a super fantastic evening.